Another proof, sine rule proof. Extremely important concept, sine rule. I developed close to 20 to 30 questions based only on sine rule. We will discuss the sine. What is a sine rule? Sine rule, it is nothing but a by sine a equivalent to b by sine b equivalent to c by sine c equivalent to 2r. What in case if you forget it? What in case if you forget it? Let us discuss the proof. Two proofs we will discuss. Proof 1. Proof 1, where we will discuss only till a by sine a equivalent to b by sine b equivalent to c by sine c. Suppose if I take a triangle ABC, drop a perpendicular AD. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. We know that sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Suppose if I take sin B. Sin B is nothing but opposite is H by hypotenuse is AB. AB is nothing but capital C opposite is small c. Capital B opposite is small b. Capital A opposite is small a. So H is nothing but C sin B. H is nothing but C sin B. Similarly, if I take this angle, sin C. Sin C is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is H by hypotenuse. It is nothing but B. H is nothing but B sin C. H is nothing but B sin C. So both what we got? We got H equivalent to C sin B, H equivalent to B sin C. So C sin B is nothing but B sin C. So these is nothing but C by sin C equivalent to B by sin B. I hope it is clear. C by sin C equivalent to B by sin C. Because I took B and C as the sides here, right, I got C by sin C equivalent to B by sin B. Similarly, if I take A and B are the sides here, I will get A by sin A equivalent to B by sin B. If I take A and C are the sides here, I will get A by sin A equivalent to C by sin C. I hope this proof is clear. A by sin A equivalent to B by sin B equivalent to C by sin C. Why this sine rule is working? I hope the proof is clear. What is the concept that I discussed in this one? Sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. I took sin B and I took sin C. From this, both H is common. I equated both of them. From there, I got it. Now the next proof comes. Why A by sin A is equivalent to B by sin B equivalent to C by sin C equivalent to 2R. What is capital R? Circumradius. I hope the proof 1 is clear. Proof 2. Let us discuss the proof 2. Proof 2. What is proof 2? Now, let us take a triangle ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now, what is a perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector. Bisector means a line which divides another line into two equal parts. Perpendicular means the line should be perpendicular. Draw a line which is perpendicular to a side and divides the side into two equal parts is called perpendicular bisector. Line should be perpendicular and line should divide the side into two equal parts. Then it is called perpendicular bisector. A line which is a perpendicular to a side and divides the side into two equal parts is called a perpendicular bisector. Draw a line which is perpendicular and divides the side. Draw a line which is perpendicular and divides the line. Draw a line which is perpendicular and divides the side into two equal parts. The point of intersection of three perpendicular bisectors. The point of intersection of three perpendicular bisectors, we call it as a circumcenter. From this center, if I draw a circle which touches all the vertices of a triangle, then the circle is called a circumcircle. Circumcenter is nothing but the center of circumcircle. It is nothing but the center of circumcircle. Extremely important point. What is the definition of a circumcircle? A circumcircle is a circle which touches all the three vertices of a triangle. Circumcircle touches all the three vertices of a triangle. Circumcircle touches all the three vertices of a triangle. A circumcircle is a circle which touches all the three vertices of a triangle. That is called circumcircle. Now why are we doing this? Because in every circumcircle there is a radius. If I call this as point O, this is the radius which is a capital R. This is the radius which is a capital R. I hope it is clear. Now this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is both the same, right? That means this is height for this figure. If I call this as a theta, this as, now I'll do like this. If this is a total angle A, R and R both are same. This side is also same. Two sides are same. Triple S property. Third side will also be same. Third side means if this is A, angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. We know the property, otherwise I will discuss the proof also. If this is A, this point will become 2A divided into two equal parts. So it is nothing but angle A. It is nothing but angle A. I hope it is clear. Now this is also bisecting. So this is A by 2 and it is A by 2. I hope it is clear. Now this side it is same. This side it is same. This is same. Or this is also same. Height is also same. So if it is A by 2, A by 2. If it is A by 2. If it is A by 2, A by 2, two sides are same. Angle opposite to side should also be same. So 2A divided into two equal parts. A and A. A and A. I hope it is clear. Again I am repeating it. ABC is a triangle. Take a perpendicular bisector drawn onto BC. Take another perpendicular bisector drawn onto AB. Take another perpendicular bisector drawn onto AC. Three perpendicular bisectors meet at a point. That point is nothing but a circumcenter. Take that point and draw a circle. That circle will touch all the vertices of a triangle, which we call it as a circumcircle. The radius of a circumcircle is nothing but capital R. Right, capital R. That means this is R, this is R, height is same. This is A by 2, this is A by 2. If this is A by 2, this angle should be same, this angle should be same. And angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. A will become 2A divided into two equal parts. So that will become sine A, that will become A, this will become A. So again if I take sine A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So A by 2R is sine A. That means A by sine A equivalent to 2R. I hope the idea is clear. Similarly, if I take Instead of A, if I take B, I will get B by sine B equivalent to 2R. Instead of A, if I take C, C by sine C equivalent to 2R. I hope the proof is clear. Why A by sine A should be equivalent to 2R? Why B by sine B equivalent to 2R? Right? Again I am telling one more proof which is extremely important. Then I will come back to proof 2 because I am going to use this one. Proof 3. Proof 3. Suppose if I take a circle, if I take an area, this is angle formed by in a right angle triangle to one side, it is 90. I hope it is clear. These also 90. These also 90. These also 90. These also 90. 90 will move from this point to the one side. So angle in a straight line is 180. 180 is nothing but 2 into 90. That is the reason I used that property. What is that property? Angle formed at the center. Angle formed at the center. Angle formed at the center. It is 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. Very simple way to understand this concept. Angle formed at the center is 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. I hope it is clear. Angle formed at the circumference to one part of the circle, it is 90. Just if I shift this figure, if this is a 90, these also 90, these also 90, 90, 90, 90. The figure will shift from here to here. Angle in a straight line is 180. 180 is 2 times the 90. 180 is 2 times the 90. That is exactly the reason. Angle formed at the center, it is 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. Angle formed at the center, it is 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. I hope the proof is clear. Now, a student might get a doubt. Why it has become A by sine A equivalent to B by sine B equivalent to C by sine C equivalent to 2R. Why it has become 2A? You might be having a doubt. This is a triangle. In this triangle, if I draw a circumcircle is a circle which touches all the vertices of a triangle. Incircle is a circle which touches all the sides of a triangle. That means if it is A, what I will do is, I will just remove this. This is nothing but these is nothing but R, these is nothing but R, these is nothing but R, because it is the center of a circle. From center to any point it is R. If this is A, angle formed at the circumference is twice the angle formed at the center. That is the reason 2A. To that 2A, what you are doing is, you are bisecting into 2 equal parts. That means this will become A by 2, this will become A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. So automatically if sides A has become half, angle also will become half. Angle A, angle A. That's exactly the reason why I used sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So A by 2R equivalent to sine A. That means A by sine A equivalent to 2R. I hope the concept is clear. Introductory class, I will discuss all the important theorems. The reason why I am discussing the theorems is, in that theorem another important property I am discussing. In that property I am discussing you how you should look at the property. Introductory class, all the important concept. A by sine A equivalent to B by sine B equivalent to C by sine C equivalent to 2R. I hope the proof is clear. What is R? R is nothing but a circumradius. R is nothing but a circumradius. A circle which touches all the 3 vertices of a triangle. A circle which touches all the three vertices of a triangle is called the circumcircle. A circle which touches all the three vertices of a triangle is called circumcircle. A circle which touches all the three sides of a triangle is called incircle. Do not do this mistake. Incircle touches all the three sides of a triangle. Circumcircle touches all the three vertices of a triangle. I hope sine rule is clear. Now, what is the another concept? Another
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for